In this video's review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to create every single video that your business needs with a few clicks. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals and upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Viddyoze, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video as it really helps out on the YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. You've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Pay Kickstart after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says generate every video your business will ever need with the world's most powerful video AI, sales videos, testimonial videos, lead magnet videos, upsell, onboarding, special offer videos, event announcement, content videos, and more delivered into your inbox every single day. So essentially this is a software they've taken. You might have heard of Viddyoze before, but they're offering a special deal where you can get it at a highly discounted price. And they've added on extra features now where you can create not just like logos and teasers, but you can actually create full videos in the software. It has a ton of extra features now inside of it, depending upon what you are doing with your business. You can do all these different things here where you can do all the different things for your scripts, all the different things for your videos, testimonial videos, website VSLs, Facebook ads, affiliate review videos, lead magnets, all these different things using one powerful software that's been proven. And it's not something that's just like coming on the market and it's going to go away. They've been on the market for a while now. You can actually see some examples of videos that you can create with it right on the sales page, which I know is something I like to see before I buy it. And you can get it for a very, very discounted price during this launch period. What I'm going to do now is play you a quick video of them explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back, show you the backend area and the upgrades.
We need to talk about video, how your business needs it, how every other business wants it, and how you can create it at the push of a button. And I don't just mean rendering a video. I mean telling your computer you want a testimonial video, and it will just make one for you, finding your best social proof and turning it into something you can publish right away. And we're not just talking testimonial videos either. We're talking full sales videos, product videos, affiliate promos, ad campaigns, videos for SEO, lead magnet videos, tutorials for membership sites, special offers, upsell videos, and much more. All created in just a few clicks, every time you need them, forever. Hey, I'm Joey, and I've been making videos for myself and for my clients for over 10 years now. And across those years, one thing has always been true. Video is here to stay. And if you're a marketer, it's becoming more important than ever before. If you were chasing maximum engagement and sales 10 years ago, then video was something that was nice to have. Today, it's an absolute must-have tool because you need it for basically everything to do with marketing. You need constant video content to climb to the top of Google and stay there. You need constant video content to become a trusted authority on social media. If you're an affiliate and you're not using video to sell product after product after product, you're leaving so much money on the table, it's frightening. Video ads convert better for less. Video testimonials generate more referrals. E-commerce stores with product videos sell more products. Look, you get the idea. It's all about video all the time, and that's a problem. As profitable as video is, it's also the biggest bottleneck in marketing. Writing scripts, storyboarding, recording audio, creating animations, cutting, editing, syncing. It all takes so much time and skill. But what if it didn't? What if you could have your next video, and not just your next video, but every video you'll ever need, just generated for you? Because that's what you can do with Viddyoze. Imagine you're selling whatever it is you're selling, and you want a product review for your website. With Viddyoze, all you have to do is load up the dashboard and find the product review video recipe. So we select that, give it a name, and press the button to go and create it. Guys, that's kind of it. In about 10 minutes, you'll end up with something like this. You can see that Viddyoze crafted a perfectly professional looking video using all your images, your graphics, your prices, and your assets all by itself, and automatically pulls in testimonials from websites like Trustpilot or Google Reviews. It even pulls in all the details from your profile on those websites too. The video is completely created for you with very minimal input from you required. So how does it work? Because you're probably rightly skeptical of anything that says video and AI in the same sentence, right? It comes back to the years I've spent making videos for myself and for big businesses and small businesses. You see, when I'm hired to create a Joey type video for my clients, I don't sit down with a blank piece of paper and start from scratch. I start with a proven recipe, the structures I've used to generate millions of sales, and that I know just work. I've been doing this for a long time. So I know what content to add. I know how much to add and where to add it. I know what kind of structure that a video needs to be in. And all this knowledge, all these years of experience have gone into the new Viddyoze platform. That's where most people trying to develop any kind of automated video content go wrong. They think that you can just use technology to replace real experience, when really it needs to be built onto the experience. And it's why our customers say things like this. Here's one of my favorite ones. Steve, who used Viddyoze to build a video in 60 seconds that literally sold for over $5,000 in less than 7 days. Here's Sandra, who grew her social media account to 10,000 people with daily video content that only took her a couple of minutes to create. Then you've got Jerry, who got over 789 opt-ins for his How to Tell Jokes course at an increase of 67%. And with Viddyoze, you're going to get access to 20 of my best video recipes ready and waiting for you. Testimonial videos, website VSLs, Facebook ads, affiliate review videos, lead magnet videos, seasonal promotions and special offers, social engagement videos, announcement videos, and the list just goes on and on. But don't think you're ever going to be constrained by what the robot gives you, right? The recipes are highly effective frameworks, but if you want to put your own stamp on a video, you can go right ahead and do that. You've got the power to move and delete scenes, change color palettes, edit fonts and images just like any other professional video editor. You can adjust aspect ratios to customize your video for different platforms. You can even build videos entirely from scratch if you really wanted to, but you're not going to need to because Viddyoze does all the work for you. On top of that, you've got unrestricted access to the Viddyoze live action animation engine, which is honestly just a huge advantage because you've got over 220 professional animation templates and the ability to do things like this. Hopefully, you can see why Viddyoze is such a powerful tool. If you're on social media, Viddyoze lets you release high-quality video content to your followers multiple times a day. If you're into SEO, you get to keep your website or your clients' websites in the money spots by producing new SEO-friendly video content every day. Affiliates can promote more products more often with less effort. E-commerce people get to stack their stores full of inventory and give each product its own product review, testimonial reel, or sales video without breaking a sweat. And if you're in the business of making and selling video to clients, then you don't need to be told what a huge advantage this is. You already know. But what you might not know is this special version of Viddyoze comes with the commercial license as standard, so you can go out and sell these videos for as much money as you like, no restrictions. And think about that for a minute, because even if you're not selling videos to clients, you should know a decent video will usually cost you at least $200 to get made, even at a low end. So if you paid $197 for your first Viddyoze license, you'd make your money back the second your first video was created. But it's not going to cost you $197, not even close. Right now, you can get full Viddyoze access for just $67 one time. And of course, you risk nothing for trying Viddyoze out because you're covered by a 30-day money-back guaranteed. So you can get your license today, build some videos today, and you'll get to see the results for yourself. And this means that you've got a choice. You can either keep making videos the long, painful, and expensive way, or you could automate the entire process, then use the time and money that you save to build out your business faster and more successfully than ever before. Best of all, if you're watching this video, it means that the launch is still live. So you'll be coming in the very best one-time price this version of Viddyoze will ever be offered for. So all you have to do now is click the button below and join us today.
Okay, so this is the backend area that you have access to after you purchase, where you can create all your different videos in. However, there are multiple upgrades. You can see here, this is how the pricing is going to work. For the front end offer, it's going to be $47 to $67. Then they're going to have something called Viddyoze Amplify that's $37. The first upgrade will be a Viddyoze Pro, which is either $47 a month or $497 a year. And then they've got a downsell. If you just say no to that, they'll offer you the Viddyoze Accelerator Challenge for $99. Now, all these upgrades are optional. You can pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Viddyoze and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about this, if you've already purchased Viddyoze, then you probably don't need this. And there's like thousands and thousands of people that have already bought this. So if you already have Viddyoze, then this is probably something you can skip. What do I like about this? This is a proven software. This is something that is put out by some really quality people that have put out quality stuff. If you're looking for a really slick video creation software, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my Viddyoze review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.